Yo, yo, yo. What's good, everybody? How we doing? How are we doing? Good evening, Nadia. Who else is here? Kyle, Goose. Goose is in the house. Banana Bread Trades is in the house, y'all. Trader 007, Mason, SSJ, Mike Light, Ethan. Who else is here? Ahmed, Miss K. Where did the hair go? It's underneath the hat right now. I tuck it in these days, dude. It's a little wild right now. What's up, Minimum? Cash, Dom, day trading for mom. Is that what that's? Yeah, day trading for mom. That's a nice username. Brilliant, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Limitless, what's going on? Guys, there's a few of you in here. We'll wait till a few more people get in here. Tonight's going to be something a little bit different for you. Banana Bread Trades is going to be heavily involved in the chat this evening. We are, tonight, on stream, giving away 4 50K rapid accounts with MyFundedFutures. And Goose, out of the goodness of his heart, at some point in the stream, is going to be giving away a Lucid account as well. I don't know what size. Oh wait, yes I do. It's a Flex 50K. Goose is giving away tonight. 50K. Okay. What's up, Kyle? How are you? Happy? How are you? So here's the deal though. Goose is going to be in charge of 2 of the giveaways via the chat. We will allow people to get in here before he does anything, obviously. His giveaways are going to be done via trivia question, which you will need to know the answer to. First to respond with the correct answer will receive the giveaway. It is going to be at Goose's discretion what those questions are. So be paying attention to the chat. He will be active in the chat when it's going on as well. I don't know what these questions are. I don't know the answers. Those 2 giveaways, so one MyFundedFutures Rapid 50K and 1 Lucid Flex, are going to be entirely in Banana Bread Trades' hands. So in other words, you really want to start sucking up to Banana Bread Trades right now in the chat. You want to tell him he's a beautiful man. For those of you that have not met Goose, Goose is a good friend, a brother. Goose and I have known about each other for years now, since the Good Gains days in Discord. He is also a live trader with Lucid. So very, very good trader. He has his own Discord as well. I think it's called W Kyle right now. Really good traders in his Discord too. Definitely a guy that knows his stuff. So So yeah, so that's what's going to be going on tonight. And then obviously we'll do the usual marbles races for the other 3. For the other 3 MyFundedFutures account. I also want to say last night we ran into an issue with one of our giveaway winners not being eligible for an account because his country was not allowed to participate with MyFundedFutures. So from here on out, I need to tell you guys that if there's anybody in here that lives in a country that is not eligible, they're going to have to forfeit your win. We're not going to be able to shell out a bunch of cash for the people that aren't eligible and purchase accounts for you elsewhere. So just be aware that happened. We also did run into somebody who apparently is not allowed to sign up for accounts with MyFundedFutures as well. So all those accounts have been credited to those winners that were eligible. Obviously, I'm not going to drop any names or any private information, but that person more than likely knows who they are. And they can reach out to me if they have any issues. What's up, Vanjian? How are you? What's up, Muhammad? Todd, how we doing? Madi, how we doing? I know, Goose. Yeah, I've kind of dedicated this entire week to Kyle. Kyle underscore WV in the chat was the max payout recipient from for MyFundedFutures Pro plans and has been transitioned to being a live trader with MyFundedFutures as well. So it goes to speak with the quality of traders that we have in our community. Guys, stick around. There's lots of really smart people in the chat, lots of really good traders to pick the brains of. What's up, Red? How are you? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're in Iran, huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah, unbelievable, Kyle. Unbelievable. Especially doing it in a 2-week time span as well. That's unreal. Unreal. Kyle, you feel famous this week. Yeah, Red, be careful out there. What's up, Profits and Principles? How are ya? So yeah, guys, obviously we have CPI tomorrow morning, so it could be a relatively slow night. I'm expecting some downside, if anything, tonight. Retrace some of that Trump tweet pump news myself. So I'll be looking for a retrace back up into this area. Probably going to trade micros just to keep it on the small side tonight and keep the risk down, keep the risk limited if I do get into a trade. But I will just be waiting at this point, honestly, for Goose and Crew 24,893. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too, Goose. Like down, honestly, maybe even a little bit lower. Maybe down in here, 24,850 or 850. But this looks like a good spot too. It's so iffy in through here. This range, Goose, on the last 6 months, I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of the flip point here right at 25K. I'm tired of it. I'm sick of it. Get out of this range. Get out of this range. Guys, today I wasn't seeing the markets very clearly. It was 4 trades, 4 break evens. And when I say break even, I made $400 today. But it was 4 trades, 4 break evens for me. Everything was getting run back on. Price never got to my key area of interest, which was 850. So, Goose, if I see 25,000 one more time, you're going to scream. Yeah. Yeah, it's I'm tired of it, man. I'm tired of it. And that's like the inflection point on this range too. So you don't really know what to do around this 25K. You know, you have no idea. So you're left chasing pretty much, or guessing, coin flipping. But yeah, I will probably be trading micros tonight if I get into one, just because of CPI tomorrow morning. I don't know what's going to happen. We could range out all night. I would like to see a move down. 5-minute overnight opening range is this candle right here. So you've got this as your 5-minute opening range high. This as your 5-minute opening range low, which lines up with resistance right now. What's up, Zen? How are ya? You're all good. You haven't missed much. Just introductions. We got about 70 people in here currently. We are entirely in Goose's control. Banana Bread trades control right now. We are in his whatever he says goes mode. Thanks, Zen. Yeah, guys, I know I'm terrible about asking about that. But if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. It really does help out the channel. I appreciate you all tuning in each and every night. Smash that like. Yeah, exactly. Smash that like for Banana Bread. Yeah, you guys better get your trivia caps on. Can I see your message? Yeah, Almighty. I can see your message. Here, let me get off top chat. I don't know why every time I'm on top chat. Let me go to live chat. Sometimes top chat hides messages. I don't know why. Dom, you need to break even like me. Like when you're building an account, yeah, it's very important. Yes, it's frustrating watching trades come back on you, take you out, break even, then run to full target. That's the danger of trading volatile symbols like NQ. Dom, my recommendation would probably be maybe switch to YM and give that a shot for a minute. It moves a little bit more smoothly. You don't get as many wick outs. You don't get as many of the full retraces every 5-minute candle. Like on NQ, you have to be really... Something happened yesterday where you were shadow banned? Almighty Will? Wait, what? Oh, we got tornado warnings everywhere. Oh, Goose, I know you live in Kansas. Anytime I hear tornado warnings, I think about you. I think about banana bread trades hiding from the cyclones. You were typing and I didn't see it. You couldn't enter the giveaway. Oh, that's crazy. That's the first I've ever heard of that happening. What's up, Cheap Pepsi? Hey, thanks, SR. Hey, thanks for the sub, Ronnie Stacks. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys, I will reiterate. We are doing 5 giveaways tonight on stream. 2 of them, Banana Bread Trades is going to be responsible for, so that's who you want to be sucking up to in the chat this evening. And I will be doing the marbles race with the other 3. 4 of them are going to be 50K rapid accounts with MyFundedFutures, and 1 of them is going to be a Lucid 50K flex account. 2 of them are going to be at Goose's discretion. It is going to be trivia questions that he's going to be asking in the chat. Those of you in the vertical stream, if you want to participate in Goose's giveaways, hop on over into the horizontal stream because that's where he's chatting at right now. It's a lot better viewing experience anyway. It's the one on my channel that does not have the word mobile in the title. That's going to be the horizontal stream. For the first 2 giveaways, that's going to be the only place that you'll be able to participate. So hop on over onto the other live stream on my channel, and you'll be all good. Sucking banana sounds. All right, back up into 25K. Goose, get ready to scream. Get ready to scream, brother. Central pivot's at 25,010. So get ready to scream. What's up, Happy? How are you? What's up, Wesley? I am Wesley as well. All the best traders live in Kansas. Facts. Facts. It's basically the Dubai of America. Oh, goodness. Yeah, guys, Goose is a good friend. If you ever want a banana bread recipe, you can always type !banana bread in the chat, and it will generate a banana bread recipe for you. He's a friend of the channel. Good dude. Live trader at Lucid. I just want to read you guys sucking up to Goose. Salt Farm Kids, you lived in Manhattan, Kansas? Isn't that that's Kansas State, right? I think Goose went to KU. I want to say he's a Jayhawk. I think he's a Jayhawk. I think I remember him saying he's a Jayhawk. Pumpkin bread. Oh no, Kyle. Kyle, don't do that. All right, if we can get a full candle closure below 980, I'm not opposed to trying the short from here. I'm not opposed. If we don't get that candle closure, I'm going to need a full 5-minute candle closure below this, and then I might slap on a micro. But the last thing I want to do is get caught in this move back up towards these highs. So Zenzen, what do you call a shoe made out of a banana? A slipper. He wasn't peeling. Yeah, we'll see. Honestly, tonight, guys, I'm not expecting a lot out of the markets. I'll be 100% on. So it's good we have these giveaways to do. It'll break the monotony of staring at a market that's not moving. Well, I hope it moves. But even look at gold right now. I mean, you are sideways as sideways can be. Why don't we trade oil with... No, you can have all the fun with... Oil already filled the gap and everything, didn't it? Oil's moving around, I guess. You got like a $3 sell-off on it. So, I mean, it's moving around. Short 40 minis right now. No thanks, Goose. I'm good. I'm good. These are the nights. These are the nights where I wish I had an eval going so that I could just sling around some contracts. These are those nights. Liquidated. All right, we got about 80 people in the stream right now, probably approaching 100 if you include the, oh, that just jumped up to like 90. So people are still slowly filing in. Welcome, guys. I'm sure I'll have to say this a million times, but yes, we are doing some giveaways tonight. Banana Bread Trades in the chat. Give him a shout out. He's the one you want to suck up to for the first little while here. He's the one who's got it. He's the one who's in charge this evening, so... At least for the first two. At 100 viewers, we'll do trivia. Okay, Goose, I'll let you know. Well, you can see how many people we got in. We've got almost 90 in right now. Guys, we went over, just so you know, we went over 7.8K subs last night. So we're on the road to 8,000 subscribers here, probably in the next, shoot, I don't even know. I've been picking up 100 subs a stream lately, so could be as early as the end of this week. So we are growing. The community is growing. 8,000 subscribers. That's a lot for me. I never expected to have the channel grow to this size, ever, not in a million years. You're short from 989.76 right now, Wild Deuces. I don't mind the short. I think the short side is the play tonight, if anything. It's just a matter of finding that entry. So I'm going to wait till we're outside of at least that 5-minute opening range. That are the yellow lines on the chart. No, I didn't trade any oil today, Wonky. I got stuck on NQ. 4 break-even trades. Dom, what's the growth goal? I don't even know, Dom. It's already far exceeded anything I could have expected. So I don't know what the goal is. You know, I have no idea. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. And hopefully we'll get some more content. Guys, we do have some content ideas that we are working on. Editor's PC is bottlenecking. So currently we are in the process of buying a new PC. It's just taking time with the cost of RAM, because in order to get what we need, it's going to be probably around $4,000 for a PC at minimum. So Oh, Goose type 7 if you think we should do trivia right now, guys. All right, guys. Goose is engaged, so make sure you're paying attention. Anytime Banana Bread Trades types something in the chat, you're going to want to pay attention. Actually, you know what, Goose? I'm going to make you a mod. I'm going to make you a mod on my channel. Actually, Mason, can you make Banana Bread Trades a mod on the channel? That way, if he wants to, I don't know, if he wants to ask in a poll or if he would rather do it in the chat, he has the luxury of deciding which way he wants to do it. All right, Goose, you are now a mod. So you have the, I think you have the ability. Only I can do a poll? Oh, that stinks. I thought the mods could do it too. Okay. Well, now Banana Bread Trades can ban whoever he wants. he can silence people if he wants. For those of you that don't know, Banana Bread Trades also has a YouTube channel. Go give him a sub. He is also the creator of the Glizzy Clipper indicator that we talk about on stream from time to time. It's a really nice indicator. For those of you that don't know, Goose is a mean reversion trader. We're kind of different styles, believe it or not. We're actually almost opposite styles of trading, but he's locked in, absolutely locked in with his style. So if that suits your eye, definitely go search Banana Bread Trades on YouTube and give him a sub, give him a follow. He's got lots of good educational content on his channel as well. Goose is also building a new home right now, too. Which, by the way, Goose, I'm gonna need to see this this war bunker. Gonna need to see this war bunker you've got. I need to see like blueprints. That's what I want to see. I want to see blueprints. Might have to make a road trip. I might have to make a road trip. Okay, you think it's time? All right. All right, chat. Pay attention when Banana Bread Trades asks a question. Goose, I don't know the answer either to these questions. So you're going to have to announce who the winner is in the chat and then let me know. Because we will have to grab some information from them. Unless you're doing the flex. What's up, K-Dub? Those of you in the vertical stream, click on over on the other live stream on my channel. That's where Banana Bread Trades is going to be asking the question. If you're not on the horizontal, you won't be able to participate in these giveaways. So get on over to the horizontal. Let's do the MFF account first. Okay, that sounds good. That sounds good. So this trivia question is going to be for a 50K rapid account with MyFundedFutures, guys. Oh, K-Dub, you're good. You're good. It's for MyFundedFutures account. Banana Bread Trades in the chat is going to be asking... Yeah, Haffy, you got to be on the other live stream on my channel. Banana Bread Trades is going to be asking a question. It's going to be a trivia question. First to get the correct answer is going to be the winner of a 50K rapid account with MyFundedFutures. What's up, Crazy Chris? Yeah, there you go, Haffy. You're in the right spot. What's up, Ahmed? Gilligan's Island. Martin Scorsese. He hasn't asked the question yet, guys. You'll see it. The answer is always Wes is a guru. Buy his trading course. He'll make you millions. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Okay is the answer, Ahmed. Yeah. Like I said, those of you in the vertical stream, click on that other live stream on my channel, the one that doesn't have the word mobile in the title. That's where these giveaways are going to be happening. So get on that other live stream on my channel, and you'll be able to participate in these first few giveaways. Oh, wow. Goose, you even threw me off. You even threw me way off. Okay, guys, what was the date of my first live stream? 5 p.m. Let's see here. Yep. Okay, so was it July 19th, 2024? Let me check. Because we've got some answers in there right now. Mason, when was our first live stream? I don't even know. 163 views streamed live on July 18th, 2024. Okay, so July 18th, 2024. Who was the first? Who was the first? It looks like Limitless was the first. Limitless. Limitless, you are the winner of the 50K Rapid account from MyFundedFutures. Congratulations. Goose, you threw me way off. You told me the questions were going to be related to something entirely different. Threw me way off. All right, Limitless. Go ahead and... There's 2 answers to this? Wait, what? No, Mason, there's not 2 answers. Oh, my gosh. You know what? You're right. What if people are located in, like, the UK? No, it wouldn't matter. There should only be 1 answer. There shouldn't be 2 answers. Yeah, Limitless won. Limitless won that. For sure. All right. Limitless, if you'll do me a favor and shoot Mock a DM in Discord, he's going to grab some information from you. And we'll get you all squared away. Jeez, Goose. Throwing me way off. Yeah, that was so fast. That was so fast. That was, honestly, that one was pretty... All you had to do was go to my channel. I guess. That's all you had to do. Yeah, Zen 7.8k subs. We could, I mean, depending upon how tonight goes, we could hit close to 8k tonight. Live from Italy, RP? Nice. Welcome. Mike Woods is like March 17th, 2024. Hey, what's up, Chris? How are ya? So that you're Hong Lao. So you're in Asia. Would that be the correct time in Asia? Because we streamed in the mornings at that time, right? Like I want to say it was 9:30 a.m. was when we were streaming. Something like that. Yeah, Cameron, that's when we created the YouTube channel, but I think the Goose's question was, when was the first live stream? All right, let's see if we can get this candle closure below that 5-minute opening range low right there at 980, and I'll try a short. Your YouTube was showing July 19th, Hong Lao? Really? Well, there will be other opportunities to win accounts tonight, I assure you. The next question, I already know. The next, Hong Lao. Hong Lao, Banana Bread Trades is is saying he's going to reward you. Verato, what's up? How are you? New here? Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you. Verado, if you're interested, hop on over, click on the other live stream on my channel. It's going to be the horizontal stream. It's a lot better viewing experience, and that's where most people are hanging out at. But welcome to the channel. It's the one that doesn't have the word mobile in the title. Joseph, so Banana Bread Trades in the chat asked a trivia question, and the first one to guess the answer correctly was the winner. He'll be doing another giveaway at some time later, and there will be another trivia question. So when Banana Bread Trades types something in the chat, you want to pay attention. You want to pay attention. All right, can we get that closure? Can we get that closure below 980? No, we're doing marbles, Bobby. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. What's up, Huffetech? How are you? You live in Dubai, Huffetech. Be safe out there. Be safe out there. Happy to have you here, though. Oh, nice, Chief Pepsi. Yeah, enjoy the bike ride with the fam. Hanlao, are you on Discord? Hanlao, if you're on Discord, shoot me a DM on Discord. You are? Okay, yeah, shoot me a DM on Discord and we'll get you all squared away. Banana Bread Trades is being very kind tonight, and he's going to honor your answer. He's gonna honor your win. Hey, Joel, you beautiful man, you. Welcome, Joel. All right, we got about 120 people in the live stream right now. What do I trade, Son of One? We're looking at ticker symbol MNQ right now. So, Nasdaq index futures. All right, guys, I'm going to short one micro here under 980. We're going to try it. We'll get a stop in. We'll give it a pretty wide stop. Go above that opening range high somewhere. And I think I'm going to target like 900 here. I think it'll go a little bit lower if we get down there, but I'll just front run that as my target. Chocolate chips is a must. Oh, and banana bread? Yeah, I like chocolate chips and banana bread. What's the Discord link? Here you go. I got you, RP. He's shorted. Pump it. Did I make a post back on 128.22? No, P Long, probably not. The channel wasn't created until 2024. So I don't think there's any way. I don't think there's any way I would have posted in 22. T for keep. No, this is a 50K Lucid Funded Pro that I'm trading right now. Zenzen, you've been here since 94? Yeah, Deuces. I mean, anybody is free to join the Discord. It is an entirely free Discord. Nice place to hang out. Good traders in there. Banana Bread Trades also has a Discord. I think it's called W Kyle right now. Feel free to join that one as well. Hey, what's up, May Meraki? How are you? Welcome to the channel. Kyle, you can cash at me for Discord access. Yeah, the name change. Oh, on Goose's Discord? Yeah. Yeah, the name changes pretty frequently. The only cost of Discord is to fire react. Yeah, we're chilling. We're chilling. Those of you that are just tuning in, we're doing some giveaway accounts tonight, live on stream. The next one, Banana Bread Trades will be responsible for. It is going to be a trivia question. The question will be asked on the horizontal stream. So if you're not on the horizontal stream, if you're on the vertical shorts feed, you might want to click on the other live stream on my channel if you want to participate in those giveaways. He'll be asking you a trivia question at some point. I don't know when that's going to be. We're going to give it a little bit of time, I think. But we'll be doing another giveaway. All right. I got you, Hong Lao. Accepting the friend request right now. And we'll get you all taken care of. Maybe at 150 viewers, we'll do another giveaway. It happens quick, Goose, these days. Just to give you a heads up, it happens fast. It happens fast. We get to 200 pretty quick these days. It seems like. Really quickly. Yeah, May, so you're on the vertical stream right now. If you go to my YouTube channel, there's 2 live streams that are live right now. One that doesn't have the word mobile in the title is the one that you'll want to be on. Not fast enough. Yeah, I mean, we're quickly approaching 150. Quickly. What are you working on? Are you in the garage tonight, Goose? Working on the race car? Okay, I got you. We're doing some marbles races in a little bit later, guys. We're doing some marbles races in a little bit. Don't worry. There's plenty of more opportunities to win. Plenty of more opportunities to win. All right, let's see if we can get down here and sweep these lows. Oh, man, I'm kind of hoping we're not pinned in between 25K and 950 all night. Don't type so fast, you're giving me a complex. T. Cooper, Banana Bread Trades will be the one asking the trivia questions. These are actually giveaway accounts that he's giving to my community out of the kindness of his heart. Banana Bread Trades is a live trader with Lucid. He's got some giveaways to do. And he decided to show up in my stream tonight. So I feel very fortunate and very blessed. So he's responsible for two, well, technically now 3 of the giveaways. And the next one will be on him. And then the following few will be marbles races. What's up, Assault? How are you? All right, how many people we got in here right now? We got 134, it looks like, in the stream. So another 15 people in here, and Goose will be asking a question. So pay attention for when Banana Bread trades. Ask a question in the chat. It will be a trivia question. First to answer correctly will be the winner. I think this one, what's up, Dakota? I think this one will be a 50K flex. Is that right? Yeah, 50K flex. I can't keep up with all these accounts. Yeah. Yeah, T for keeps. Goose was on Lucid's live stream. Was it last week? Or 2 weeks ago? Maybe it was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, Deuces, I'm right there with you. I'm right there with you. Honestly, you could have just reversed my position. Oh, Goose, get ready to scream. Here comes 25K. Here comes 25K. Living in mom's basement is the key to success. Yeah, that's right. I forgot about that conversation. I completely forgot about that conversation. I was there, Goose, by the way. I did show up. I did support. That chat was crazy, though. That chat was crazy. Joel, eat banana bread, live in mom's basement, bet more. All right, we are approaching that number, Goose. We are at, it looks like, close to 140 viewers right now. Yeah, I want to say the move is down. I'm with you there, Assault. I probably get stopped out of this position, though. The way that this is moving up, I probably get stopped. I mean, I guess I could pull my stop up even more since it's only 1 micro right now, but I don't know how much room I want to give it on 1 micro. I feel like 45 points should be enough. What's up, First Gen? Welcome to the community. Appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, I'm not a multi-millionaire trader. I'll be the first to admit that. I will be the first to admit that. Yeah, May, I'm in a trade right now. What's up, Avatar? How are you? Yeah, guys, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. We are about 12 viewers away from doing another giveaway. Let's get those likes up before we do the giveaway. Banana Bread Trades is paying attention to that viewer count, and as soon as we hit 150, he's going to be asking another trivia question. No, May, I'm actually in a short position. Like I said, if you click on over on the other live stream, you'll be able to see my full position. When that middle bar, when my entry bar, I'm in drawdown right now, but when my entry bar is red on Quant Tower, it means I'm in a short position. And when my entry bar is green, that would be a long position. So the two green lines are my stop and my take profit, and the red line is my entry right now. Yeah, I'm taking heat right now. I mean, I'm down $40. We'll take it easy. It's not that bad, but yeah, there you go, May. There you go. Verado, right now I'm short on MNQ, just below 980. Entries 24,977. Taking a little bit of heat right now. Yeah, deuces. I mean, I should probably cut it here. We've got orders up here at 25,010, 25,020. That seems fairly obvious that I'm probably gonna get swept out of this position at this point. In fact, let's just get out. Let's cut our losses. This is going... That would have been my sweep out. So what are we thinking, guys? 25,050-ish? Somewhere around in here? Or do you think we just continue up all night? Do you think we retrace the end-of-day sell-off? Silent Edge is like, add. Just add more size into your losing trade. just keep adding. Just DCA. Yeah, deuces. I mean, I was thinking that we might try to retrace tonight at some point. Maybe we come up to 25,050-ish and then turn over. I would think that we would try to reclaim some of this. This is the Trump tweet pump, right? I would think that some of that needs to get traded again in between here. But I don't know. I don't know if that's going to happen tonight with CPI in the morning. What's CPI? It's an inflationary data reading. Oh, we are at 150. All right, guys. Spam 7 if you want another giveaway going. Spam 7. Dude, I forgot to add. Yeah, I'm not going to add into that. I don't add into losing trades, guys. Not that much. The only time I do is like if I'm trading my normal strategy where we have support and resistance and say I'm in a little bit of drawdown, but I'm seeing aggressive, like if I saw aggressive sellers stepping in just above my current price, but never when price is 20 plus points away from my entry. I don't DCA like that. Ever. Ever. Made that mistake before, won't make that mistake again. Oh, that's what's going on. Yeah, you'll see. You'll see. Goose. My chat is just a bunch of 7s right now. Those of you that are in the vertical stream, click on that other live stream on my channel so that you can participate in this trivia question. That's where Banana Bread Trades is going to be asking the question that you need to know the answer to. First to answer correctly is going to be the winner of a 50K Flex account. May, you think the thing is going up all night for sure? I mean, it definitely could. Could trade back up into the lower ends of that range of the January range. Well, really November, December, and January range. It could trade up into that area, up around prior week high, where we kind of rejected earlier. Going into news, but I would think we come back down and maybe test prior week open. What's the spam 7? Oh, Warriors loves. Banana Bread Trades is going to be asking a trivia question. He's giving away a Lucid 50K Flex account. So first to answer his trivia question correctly will be the winner of a 50K Flex account. What's up, Pallies? How are you? New here? Hope I've been hydrating. I drink lots of water. I'm hydrated. I'm well hydrated. Got water right here. I am well hydrated. But welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. Appreciate you tuning in. Guys, smash that thumbs up button if you haven't yet. All right, it looks like Banana Bread Trades, Goose is about to answer the question. So start paying attention, guys. You think it's going to go up, but then it's going to go down. I think it's going to go to the right. I think price will go to the right. What is an FVG? So, well, it's an ICT terminology. It's a fair value gap. So it's a 3-candle structure where you have a wick of a candle, the big body of the candle, and then this wick of the candle. So this right here that I'm drawing on the charts, that connects those two outside wicks of that big body candle, that is a 5-minute fair value gap. Crazy Chris 1972. Oh, Crazy Chris. Crazy Chris, you are the winner. You are the winner of the 50K Flex account. Goose. Code correct. If so, I'll have him DM me. The one from earlier. Cover your banana. I got both. Okay. All right, Goose. Thank you so much, guys. Just in case Goose checks out because he's working on cars from the garage this evening. Send your love out to Banana Bread Trades. If you haven't, like I said, he does have a YouTube channel. Lots of good educational trading content on his channel. Feel free to check it out. It goes by Banana Bread Trades. That's the name of his channel as well. Give him a sub. Go watch a few of his videos. Give him the thumbs up. He will obviously be a guest on my channel from time to time as well. Thanks again, Goose, if you're tuning out for a little bit. If not, stay in the chat and hang out for a little while. Watch a marbles racer too. But thank you, Goose. Oh, Ibrahima. Yeah, so you already missed it. Winner's been done. Banana Bread Trades is in the horizontal stream on my live channel, and he was asking trivia questions, giving away a Lucid Flex account for the winner. But it's already done. But don't worry, we got more giveaways coming. I promise. May, do I understand the heat map thing? On a very elementary level is my understanding of this. I'm definitely not an expert at reading book map or any of this, but in theory, what I'm looking for is something very simple. As price approaches these areas, I'm looking for aggressive buyers and sellers to be getting absorbed or exhaustion in the aggressive buyers and sellers. And looking for generally a big passive buyer or seller to be sitting there absorbing that aggressive selling. So that's pretty much what I use it for. Just an added layer of confluence for my trades. My trading style is really simple. Really simple. I'm looking for break and retests, bear flag, bull flag type setups at these levels, which is kind of why I took the short here, because we had the break, we had the retest, and unfortunately, price got below this 5-minute opening range low, but never held and reversed on me. So trade didn't work out. All right, Goose. We'll chat soon, brother. Thanks again. Thanks again for the for tuning in. Looks like it's calculating how much. Yeah, it may. So, like, these are the bubbles are your aggressive buyers and sellers. In other words, market orders. People who are hitting that market in, market out orders. And these lines over here are your passive buyers and sellers orders on the book. If I zoom in, you can kind of see it becomes color differentiated. The darker the shade of yellow or red, the more volume that's resting there. If I zoom in more, I can see the actual amount of orders resting at each price. So a lot of information there. First gen, am I funded? Yeah, I'm funded. Vanjian, how many prop firms do I trade with? I'm currently with 3. I'm with MyFundedFutures, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader currently. Are the 3 that I have accounts with. Yeah, May. That's why I simplified it to just look for a couple things over there. If you're looking at that all day. How do I hold my entry? Pal, the only way to do that is to have a mechanical hard stop loss, almost like a bracket order, and just let the trade play out. First gen, no, any sim funded account that you're on, first gen is going to be technically paper money. It's not until you're in a live brokerage account, which I have. I have a personal account as well. I just don't trade it on stream. There's too much noise on stream to be trading a personal account. You kind of need to block out the noise. So these are just accounts that I have fun with for the most part on stream. But technically every prop firm account is, even if it's a funded, is simulated money. It's not real orders going on the books, real money going in there. You know, the only thing at risk is the cost that I paid for the evaluation. But any profits that I do gain, if I get to payout level on the funded accounts, I can request, and it's like an 80-20 split with most of the props. So I get 80%, they get 20. Verado, I trade on Quantower trading platform. It's called Quantower. Asia session just opened. Marina, do I like Top Step? I mean, Top Step's been around a long time. They've been around a long time. I used to trade with Top Step. Smurf, what's the worst Apex story you've heard? Oh, I'm not gonna bash any. I'm not gonna bash. I'm not gonna bash any of the props on here. You like Tradeify, Lucid, and TPT? Yeah, Tradeify is good too. Tradeify. The only thing about Tradeify is they're very limited on their available trading platforms currently. I think once they allow rhythmic connections and other connections, and you can trade on other platforms, it'll be better. That's kind of what I don't like about Top Step, and kind of the reason that I left Top Step was because they were forcing people to go to Top Step X and only being able to trade on one platform. Oh my goodness, we are ranging. What's the best trade I've had? Rotund? My biggest day trade was a few years ago, actually. I haven't had anything massive in a while. Well, what I would consider massive. My biggest day trade ever was 18,000. But I was way over leveraged, and it was a dumb trade. It was a dumb trade. It worked out, but it was stupid to have as much size as I had on. I had a 5 mini long position on that actually went for quite a bit. So that's my biggest trade ever. But that happened like 2 years ago. I haven't had anything remotely close to that. I mean, I've had a few like 5-figure days since then total. But as far as like a singular trade is concerned, that's my biggest singular trade. Rhythmic is coming to Tradeify soon. Yeah, I can't wait, honestly. If they get that Rhythmic connection, I will be definitely signing up for a few accounts. For sure. Verado, Quantower, here, I got you. What's my best trade while wearing a thong? Oh, jeez. Almighty Will, trade day's good. Just a lot of people don't trade with them. A lot of people don't know about them because they aren't as they don't market like the other ones do. They don't shove their marketing down people's face. They've been around a long time as well. They've got a lot of different account options. I haven't heard a lot about them. Blackout News Network. What's the difference with Rhythmic? They just allow different trading platforms. Like, you know how Top Step X, right? Like you have to trade on Top Step X. Like that's the only, they are their, I want to say they are their data provider. And just like if you have CQG data, you can only trade on NinjaTrader, Tradeovate, or TradingView, right? So you just, Rhythmic has more flexibility. With a Rhythmic connection, you can trade on Sierra charts, you can trade on Quantower, you can trade on all the other trading platforms that are out there pretty much. Profits and principles. What is MFFU? My Funded Futures. What a pump. What a pump. You had the break and a reclaim ripper. Yeah, Blackout. It's the data provider. So it's who provides your live data, your live pricing, your live quotes. That's what Rhythmic is. Oh my goodness. That you being included through your... Yeah, me too. Initially, Profits and Principles. Me too. For some reason, that's the acronym they use, is MFFU. Oh my goodness. Was there news? Or was that just random volatility? How do I dodge FOMO? Is there any specific, Eric, is there any specific requirements to have a chance to get an evaluation? You just have to live in a country that you can trade in for the most part. And obviously be of age, have ID. Strait of Hormuz is now called Strait of America. Okay, Sam. Wait, no way. Oh, I know, Jeff. I know. Remember everybody was telling me to DCA? Everybody's just like, just DCA. Oh, that's funny. Well, I tell you what, guys. While this thing is settling down, let's do another giveaway. Let me get Mason. Make sure Mason is all good. Mason, whenever you would like to start the entries, we're going to open up an entry window, guys. We're going to do a marbles race for the next one. It's going to be for a 50K Rapid account. Oh, Eric, you'll see. I'm explaining it right now. Sorry. It's going to be for a 50K Rapid account with MyFundedFutures. It is their daily payout account. As soon as Mason is ready, it looks like he's got the bot started. You guys can go ahead and start typing !marbles to enter you into that giveaway. And we'll leave that open for a couple minutes here and let you guys get that all squared away. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that was a crazy spike. I don't have any news feed up, so I have no idea what happened there. Oil is dropping like a rock right now. Oil is going crazy. Oh, man. Sheesh. I mean, I guess you could have taken it right off a central pivot. That was a nice bounce right off a central pivot. even taken the reclaim of the 5-minute opening range high, but that happens so fast. That's so hard to get in. All right, guys, we're going to shut down the entries in about 15 seconds. So get your entries in if you haven't yet. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Glad I wasn't still in my short. All right, Mason, go ahead and shut down that entry window. All right, guys, no more entries into the giveaway, so you don't need to type exclamation point marbles anymore. No, May, you called it. 100%. You called it. That was a nice shout out. I couldn't have told you that was going to happen. You spent all day polishing your marble to your grandma. Okay, all right. We're going to give Mason a few minutes to get everything squared away. 174 people in. Yeah, numbers line up. Numbers line up. Guys, you will have to be here in order to claim your prize. If you're not here in order to claim your prize, we will go to second place, third place, so on and so forth. This is how we get away from the botting, and unfortunately, like, this is how we have to do it. So you will have to type something in the chat. We do have 2 more giveaways to do after this as well. So stick around. All right, let me get this out here. All right, guys, once again, this is the race for the 50K Rapid account with MyFundedFutures. Good luck, everybody. All right, Mason. And you guys are off. Down the chute we go and up the conveyor belt. Let's see who comes out with the early lead here. Typing 1 in the chat will make your marble go faster, by the way. All right, who's coming out first? J-Rem out to the early lead. Happy Kids trailing. Profits and Principles takes over second. We know there's a lot of jostling here at the beginning, guys. Oh, Son of Wall Street. Onyx takes over. Almighty Will right there. Alablua. Climbing up the wall now. Obviously, getting in that center lane, that center chute, definitely gives you an advantage going down the home stretch here. So that is where you kind of want to be, is right in that middle. Oh, Level Bevel taking over the lead. This is going to be a close one, guys. I have a feeling this one's going to come down to the wire. This is going to be a close one. Happy Kid still has a slight lead over Bull Pathfinder. Liquidity Bevel closely in. Cameron just took over third place, but Liquidity Bevel just hit that middle chute. That gives you that extra boost. Oh, kind of getting through clean. Oh, you got hung up. Trades by Sheng's. Oh, Happy Kids takes over first place again. Oh, Happy Kids went airborne but stayed on the track. Oh, we have some jostling, some major jostling coming on. Guys, this is the home stretch. Just got to get through here quickly. Oh, Son of Wall Street. No shot. No shot. Mason. That's a little ridiculous. Titan Ticks in second, Aramac in third. I don't even know what to say, guys. I did not set this up. I did not set this up. All right, well, Mason, you're the winner of a 50K Rapid account on MyFundedFutures. Prize goes to second place? Okay. Titan Tix, you are the winner. Titan Tix, you are the winner. I did not see this. I don't understand what happened there, though. Like, why was Laugh at Life in the winner's circle? Where did Laugh at Life finish? I don't understand what happened. Did not finish? I don't understand. I'm confused. I'm completely confused right now. Mason went flying right off the track. Vanjian, race again. I don't understand. Yeah, sorry guys. Those of you on the vertical stream, I see you. It's hard to follow what's going on here because I don't have enough screen real estate to show the whole map and everything as far as the marbles race is concerned. So I apologize if the visual is bad on the shorts feed. On the horizontal feed, they can see everything. All right, so Titan Tix, we're going to award you the win here. You are the winner of the 50K Rapid account with MyFundedFutures. If you could, type something in the chat. You have typed something in the chat. Titan Tix, are you on Discord? If you're on Discord, do me a favor and either send myself or Mock a DM on Discord if you are. I was like, how is that even possible? How did Mason come out of nowhere to win that thing? Yeah, join Discord, Titan Tix, and shoot me. Actually shoot Mock. It's Mock exclamation point on Discord. Shoot him a DM, and he's gonna grab some information from you. All right, guys, that was race number 1. We are going to be doing a couple more later on in the stream. Congratulations, Titan Tix. GG's. Yeah, May, I know. I know that happened in the beginning too. Like one of the first few races that we did of the marbles races. Someone just put on the rocket pack and skipped all obstacles in the last half of the race and flew right into the bucket at the end. Learning how to drive, Blake? Nice. Yeah, the marbles races are fun, man. Those are a good time. Sometimes I can't keep up with them, though. I like try to commentate, and there's just no keeping up with them. There's absolutely no keeping up with those races. There's too much jostling in positions. I can only imagine being one of you, those marbles that's coming down that home stretch and having victory thieved from your grasp right at the end. That's got to be brutal. You got to be so angry. I mean, those are $127 accounts right now, guys. I mean, that's a good purchase, you know? Like that's a good. What's up, Stevie J? How are you? That's a good giveaway, you know? Secured payout. Nice. Just Cappuccino. Nice. Nice. Congratulations. What's up, Algeri? How are you? Honestly, we just had there was some news headline. I don't know exactly what, but the market just pumped randomly. What's up? Go have fun. You missed a few of the giveaways. We've done 3 giveaways so far. Banana Bread Trades did 2 of them on my stream, and then we've done 1 marbles race. Oh, okay. So Laugh at Life is a replay. So guys, when you see Laugh at Life at the finish line, that's the record time on the marbles race. So it's a ghost marble. Wait, so what Mason, then what happens if he's actually in the race and wins and wins another one? So he'll have a real marble and then a ghost marble? Okay, so it's the record. It's the record. Okay, it's the record pace. I gotcha. Gonna have to reassess the aerodynamics of your marble. Guru, we already did 3 giveaways. Yeah. So there will be a like if Laugh at Life was in the race, he would have a real marble, and then that ghost marble would be his record marble. So that's the course record. Thanks, Guru. Don't worry, we got another one coming. We got another one coming. There's more where that came from. Spelling speed enhancers for marble. $50 per marble. Crack me up. Oh, man. I mean, I'm a little late to this party that's going on to the long side right now. I don't want to be buying up here. I mean, we could honestly go up to 150. Let's see. All right, so this is the 15-minute opening range high from New York session that we're kind of trading into and bouncing off of there at 25,080. That's what that line is that we're running into. I mean, maybe we might be able to get a read off of that, but I'm a little leery about taking any longs up into this area. Right? That has served as a rejection spot quite a bit. So I don't know that I really want to be in any long positions trading up into this until we get a break above and a retest and a hold. So I'm not going to enter anything in here. You guys that are really good at scalping might be able to find an entry. May, because you're trading right up into a lot of resistance. Like over the last few weeks, this area has served as resistance. There's been big sells coming off of this 100 area and just above. So I don't want to be trading into resistance in a long position, right? I would rather see, if I'm going to take a long from up here, it would need to be something that looks like we would have to get this kind of a move, right? Otherwise, my long position would be the retest here for the long. So we're kind of in that no man's land for me, where price could go back and forth sideways a little bit as it slowly works its way up into here. Guru, do I do a CPI? Oh, you mean like, do I throw hedge positions on during news? No, I don't do that. Yeah, you're right in the middle where it can go back and forth. So I either need a sharp pullback to start retracing some of that news move, or the move up into this area to see if we can get the break above for a long position back up into New York session highs, or a pullback to retrace that news and see if we can find some support. Yeah, Guru. Yeah, New York session was difficult. I tried 4 different entries today, guys. All of them were, well, I call them break evens. They were all $100 winners. I got 5 points on all of them because I locked in profits. But price just ran back on me. I think the biggest trade that I was in today, I think at one point was up like $800, but I didn't secure it. And it snapped back on me really fast. So I finished the day up $400, but they were all break-even trades. They were all plus 5 points. 4 trades, $100 a piece. Yeah, May, lately that's how it's been. I mean, how many times have you guys over the last couple months, right? Been in a position that's been working out great for you, and in an instant, in about 10 seconds, price snaps 60, 70 points back on you and takes you out. You know, you think you're in a really big trade, because it's happened to me quite a bit. But you have to give it a little room to breathe as well to let it work its way. So, I don't know. It's such a fine line. This morning in New York said, yeah, it happened to me too. It's happened to all. It's frustrating, I know, but you got to just accept the break evens, because you're actually you're trading smart. You're trading smart, right? So you just have to accept those break evens. The problem that we're having is we're having 60.5 minute candles that are consecutive full retraces. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough to trade in. At least in my eyes, that's really hard. Oh, nice, Mike Light. Oh, May, yeah. If you've got, especially if it's intraday trailing, like it's trailing in real time, that becomes difficult. I'm not a fan of intraday trailing accounts, because it's almost like you just have to shoot for 10 to 15 point trades, and that's your target. All right, guys, we got, how many people we got in here? We got 155 people in here right now. Yeah, Guru, I mean, a lot of times, yeah. Right now, if you're not around the highs or the low of the day, though, it's very, very hard to hop on anything and let it and have it go. I feel like you get 5 minute retracement candles that are just massive. What's up, Aragorn? How are you? Love you too. So true guru SSJ. Oh, jeez. JMO, you've always been better at taking 10 to 20 points. Yeah, my strategy, I'm not a good scalper. Hand in the air, I'm just not. You know, I generally target level to level. My trading's really, really simple. So I've never been good at catching those quick surges. I'm waiting for price to get to an area where we've had strong reactions out of before and executing from that area. So that way my risk is defined and my targets are big, so I can take a few losses, but that one trade's going to go for, you know, a couple thousand normally. But lately with the volatility, I've had to go break even. So I've taken a lot of break even trades recently. You know, I'll have those really small red and green days. And then occasionally I'll have a really good day. I'll have a $4,000 day. Yeah, guys, we still got a couple more giveaways to do. Big shout out to MyFundedFutures for providing these for you guys. They were very generous with these giveaways. So major shout out to MyFundedFutures. If you haven't traded with MyFundedFutures yet, great prop firm, very reliable, fast payouts, good accounts as well. I can't give enough praise to them for the level of service that they provide, especially in an industry where there's sometimes not that. They are one of the ones that I trust and that I can recommend that you trade with. So big shout out to MyFundedFutures. Amazing prop. Can't recommend them enough if you haven't traded with them. One of our members, Kyle, just received a max payout with them on their pro plans and is transitioned to a live account. So he's a live trader with them now. Yeah, great prop. Great prop. Fast payouts. When I've requested payouts from MyFundedFutures, it's been within sometimes less than a second. Kyle's like, not me. Everybody must be waiting on CPI tomorrow. Normally we got about 240, 250 people in the live streams at around this time. We'll see what happens here at the change of the hour. Take Profit Trader is great too, SSJ, for those daily payout accounts. It's a great firm as well. I think if you're okay with the intraday trailing drawdown and you're searching for those daily payouts, Take Profit Trader's a definite viable option for sure. They're really, really good. Yeah, I think the 50Ks at Take Profit right now with the code is what, like $103? I think it's 40% off, no activation. Yeah, T for keeps. MyFundedFutures, even on Quantower, I think they use DX feed as their data provider to trade on Quantower. Yeah, $102, Mohammed. Okay. No, Guru. So this is called DOM Surface. It's a built-in feature on my trading platform, Quantower. This is very similar to Bookmap. This is very similar. Bookmap is a little more in-depth than what this is, but Bookmap's just an advanced form of heat map, right? Bookmap's going to have a lot more information than just this. But this will give you the same thing pretty much. SSJ, so Your red and green bubbles are your aggressive buyers and sellers, i.e. market orders coming in. These lines over here are your passive buyers and sellers. Like if I zoom in, this is the actual DOM. So these are the orders resting on the books. So the bigger the wick, the more orders that are resting there. You can also tell by the color on the background on the map here too. What's up, Sardino? How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Had a losing trade early, but I'm good. Not too bad. $77, so I'm not too far in the hole. Easily recoverable. Yeah, cheers, SSJ. Yeah, that's what you're seeing over there on that right-hand side of the screen. And like I said, what I'm looking for over here is a lot of big, like say we were coming from the top side down into this level. I'm looking for a lot of big red bubbles to make a low, a passive buyer to defend in this area, price to move back up, aggressive sellers to move back in and not be able to create a new low. In other words, we got a passive buyer absorbing all that aggressive selling and vice versa to the top side. Does that make sense? That's kind of how I use it. And you'll also be able to tell if those aggressive sellers are winning, if they bust through the level aggressively too. Like if there's a quick move and a breakdown here. So it just gives you a little extra read. Yeah, it takes some time, SSJ. It takes some time to get used to. Like I said, I'm just using this for extra confluence. My read is really price and volume at key levels. All right, guys, guess what time it is? While we're chopping sideways, it is time for another marbles race. Mason, whenever you are ready, feel free to open up those entries again. We'll leave them open for a few minutes. Yeah, Trevor, apparently there was some news. I'm not sure what the news was, but it happened instantly. It happened so fast. All right, guys. Entries are open for that marbles race. Once again, it's going to be for a 50K rapid account, which is the daily payout option with MyFundedFutures. Exclamation point marbles will enter you into the chat. I will be right back. All right, exclamation point marbles. We'll leave it open for about another minute or so to make sure you guys get your entries in this time. It's for a 50K rapid account with MyFundedFutures that will give you the marble to get in the race. Obviously, the winner will select. I will reiterate, if you are in a country that MyFundedFutures does not support you will have to forfeit the win. Unfortunately, there is no cash prize. There is no cash prize. So you will have to forfeit the win, and the account will go to somebody else. So I apologize. Unfortunately, my pockets are just not that deep. Not that deep. Thank God for me being in the U.S., Guru. Some people do. Some people ask if they can get cash instead. It happens. It happens. It's kind of like when people try to return an item and they've purchased on a credit card or whatever, and they say, "Can I get cash?" It's like, no. Nice little chop zone. All right, guys, 15 seconds and we're closing the entry window. So get your entries in if you haven't yet. We've got about 180 people in. Also, if you could, guys, smash that thumbs up button if you haven't yet as you roll in. I appreciate all the support. Say it's a different nominal value. Say it's a different foreign currency. All right, Mason, go ahead and close that at registration window. Go ahead and do this race. Yeah, Guru, I haven't looked into alpha futures at all. I hear the name a lot. I haven't looked into them. All right, guys. Marbles entries are now closed. We're going to give Mason a few minutes to get that all set up, and then we'll get this going. Those of you that are lurking in the background, feel free to say hello in the chat. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the stream. I appreciate you all being here. These marbles races are fun. They are fun. They are absolute fire. Max withdrawal is 15K on one account. That's not bad. I just don't know enough about them, Guru. I'd have to do more research. Because my whole thing is I don't want to be recommending props that I don't trust and can recommend. You know, and there's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of scams out there. So I just don't involve myself with those or don't promote them if I don't know enough about them to recommend them. I'm trying to do the right thing, in other words, for the community. What's up, Don? You're just a creeper. Don't say much. You're fine. You're fine. I understand. Sometimes it can be intimidating going into a chat room full of 180, 200 people and talking. Swardino, it depends on the account size, really. You just have to look at their FAQs. Swardino, you can just go to their FAQs page on Lucid, and you'll see the full rundown, all the rules, all the payout structures, and all that stuff. All right, guys, let's see here. Let's see where Mason's at. Okay, looks like he's ready to go. Let me get this up. All right, guys. Mason, whenever you are ready, you can start the race. Once again, guys, spamming one in the chat will make your marble go faster. Good luck, everybody. Let's do this. And you are off. Down the chute you go. And up the conveyor belt. Still haven't figured out what the upside on this conveyor belt is either. Like, I don't know what's pulling your marbles up. Because you can't really see anything. They just kind of oh, there they go. Okay, now I get it. Now I get it. All right. All right. Powell, out to an early lead. Wow, he's flying. Powell is flying down the track right now. Oh, we got a few people that are flying. Joyce has been near the lead all night. Oh no. Oh, he made it. All right. I thought Powell was gonna shortchange it. Thought he was gonna miss the track. All right, Dom taking over. This is where everything gets interesting. Like I said, guys, you want to be in that middle chute. You want to be in that middle chute as you come out. All right, Joyce still in the lead. Joyce is still in the lead. Market Mass in second. Kyle Blast in third. Rubber in fourth. Edgestorm in fifth. Got some jostling for position. Joyce is now taking over the lead. All right, who's going to get the speed boost here in the middle? Oh, it looks like it's going to be Kyle Bloss. Kyle Bloss. Kyle Bloss. Can he get through the obstacles somewhat clean, though? That's the question. Oh, it's going to be close again, guys. It's going to be close. Rubber 1503 comes out of there. Oh, no. Abadar had a good speed boost, but man, got flying off the track. Oh, Shernsey flying off the track. Oh, is that the record? Laugh at Life with the record. Are we going to have a new record marble here? Oh no, that's Laugh at Life's real marble. Alpha Tickers. Is that Laugh at Life's real marble? It is Laugh at Life's real marble. Laugh at Life winning for a second time. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Laugh at Life. Dude, that's Laugh at Life's second win this week. That's his second win this week. Unbelievable. MP in second. iTrade Places in third. Sam versus Self in fourth. 44 in fifth. Dom in sixth. Bull Pathfinder in seventh. Rubber finished in eighth. I know, Laugh at Life has got the speed boost. He's got the secret sauce. I don't know what he's doing over there with the ones. Oh my goodness, Ajiri Speaks is just hung up. Just hung up on the blockades. Not even gonna make the finish line. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, congratulations, Laugh at Life. I guess you know just shoot me or shoot Mock a DM if you could on Level Up Discord. Wow, second win this week. Congratulations. His marble's hot. His marble is hot. Unbelievable. The marble is just greased up. Yeah, he's on roids for sure. I couldn't tell if it was the if it was his record marble, ghost marble, or if it was his real marble. Marble is hot is a crazy statement. Up, down, left, right, start, select. He is on the grease. I know. His marble is just... It's got rocket boosters on it. He might be stimming. Yeah, Laugh at Life. Congratulations. Congratulations. That's nice. Couple freebies this week for you. Like I said, shoot Mock, exclamation point, a message on Discord, and he's going to grab that information from you. I can't remember if I have your information or not. Let's see here. He probably knows what he's doing. Man, it's more grease than a pig in a fat camp. Oh, jeez. Still consolidating in that range, though. Still consolidating in that range. Dude has first person with steering wheel and everything. Booster bot. Oh, it's funny. Yeah, the move has already happened. Like, there's nothing to do right now. In my eyes. Looks like gold went on a rocket ship. How soon do you start doing the ones, SSJ? After we get the map up. After we get the map up. I mean, people will start doing it beforehand. Must have been doing ones before the stream. He's in the chat like 30 minutes before the live stream goes live, just spamming one. Oh, man, too funny. Oh, jeez. That is hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. All right, this has turned into nasty sideways action, guys. Nasty sideways action. I want to say, does China open up here in about 5 minutes? Is that right? Hey Kyle, nice. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself. Had a lot of people exit after that race. Had a lot of people exit after that race. China at 9, Chad. I just didn't know about with daylight savings time if they rolled their clocks or not. I remember somebody saying that they don't. So I wasn't sure if it was 8 o'clock or if it was 9 o'clock. Because we rolled our clocks forward an hour. Only the OGs hang? Yeah, I mean, you guys are going to have the best opportunity or the best chances if everybody pieces out. Who knows? It could have been bots as well, right? It definitely could have been bots too. We've been botted a few times this week. Although I didn't ever see... I haven't seen our viewer count hit 200 at all tonight, so I'm not sure. Normally we're around, when we are being botted, it's closer to like 350, if not more. Yeah, why do we do that anyway? I'm not sure. There's all sorts of like tales and stories about why we do it. I've heard anything as far as to save on candle wax. I've heard people say it's because parents want to get their kids to bed earlier. I've heard, I've heard all sorts of reasons why. I'm not sure what the real reason is. So if you know, they said it was crop growth when you were kids, Stevie J. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what the real reason is. Wait, the real reason is that old Ben Frank was late to his wife's dad and rolled the clocks back as his excuse? Okay. Energy savings? Yeah, I don't know what the real reason is. I've heard lots of different stories about why. I don't know. I don't know what the real reason is. Day 2 of your 150K rapid, May? Oh, nice. Nice. Congrats. Okay, so on the net it says energy savings, so that's the reason? Okay. Yeah, I've heard the farmer's crops thing as well. I've heard to save on candle wax. I've heard everything. What's up, Enzima? How are you? That's why they bought for energy savings. Yeah. Sorry. I don't know why my mic was muted. I think it was when I was gulping my water, so you guys didn't have to listen to me gulping the water. Sorry. Got you. I got you. Gentle reminder, tomorrow morning is CPI, if you don't know. Highly volatile news event. So be on alert an hour before the New York Open that the markets are going to go crazy. So if you're in any position around that time, I highly recommend closing your position and letting the news settle down. Usually the markets move quite a bit on CPI. So just be on alert. That is tomorrow morning. Oh, T for keeps. We were talking as far as what we were talking about. Why we roll clocks. Why do we have daylight savings? That's what we were talking about. Wow, the market made that one move and just died on us. Absolutely died on us. All right, guys, I tell you what, while everybody was gone, now that the numbers are down, you loyal people, you deserve the advantage here. So let's just go ahead and do that last giveaway that we have and give you guys a better opportunity before more people decide to try and file in last minute. Mason, go ahead and open up that enrollment for the marbles race. And you guys go ahead and get your entries in. We'll leave it open for a couple minutes for you. And then we'll go ahead and do this giveaway and we'll get out of here. I'll have an early night. Get some rest tonight. Thanks for tuning in. Once again, exclamation point marbles will enter you into that race. Get your entries in. We'll leave it open for a couple minutes here. Still had a good time tonight, guys. Even though I lost on the trade, still had a good time tonight. The marbles races are fun. Had the opportunity to, big shout out to Banana Bread Trades for coming on and actually doing 3 giveaways, to tell you the truth himself. So combined on the stream tonight, we have given away 7 accounts. We've given away 7 accounts tonight live on stream. So big giveaway stream tonight. Big giveaway stream. Once again, this race is going to be for another 50K rapid account with MyFundedFutures. So very good accounts, daily payouts, 90-10 profit split as well on these accounts, which is really nice. So if you can just take them slow, get past that buffer, and guys, those daily payout accounts are life-changing. They are life-changing because it's a small target. You get 10 points on NQ with 1 mini. That's a $200 day. You can cash out once you're past the buffer. You can pay yourself daily. So it's an unreal. They are life-changing accounts. They truly are. So good luck, everybody. We're going to leave those entries open for another 15 seconds or so. Get your entries in, and then we'll do this race. Yeah, Chris, they do. They do. But if you have a cycle of them going, you can stretch it out. They will force you at some point, though. They will force you at some point. Usually it's around that 10K mark. It's different for everybody, though. All right, Mason, go ahead and close. If you did, all right, registrations are closed. All right, guys, let's give Mason a few minutes here to get everything all set up once again. Once he is ready, we will get going. Sorry, guys, don't worry about me. I'm not much of a closer, but I didn't manifest a finish on this one. Yeah, LC, he's removing all the duplicates right now. Mason, I'm not sure. The last time we tried a new map, it was a disaster. What's up, Ryan? How are you? Everyone, they want a new map? I mean, I won't be much of a commentator. I won't be much of a commentator if it's a new map, guys. It's tough. It's tough over here to follow it. If you want a new map, give Mason a few minutes to pick a new map. You vote for the disaster, Chris? Oh, okay. All right. So we want absolute disaster, huh? That's what we want to see? All right, Mason. You want disaster? I got you. Oh gosh, Mason. Don't make the map too crazy. And it's got to be a bright one. It can't be one of the dark maps where nobody can see anything at all. The 80% did not finish map, Bobby says. You just want total carnage. Everybody wants carnage. Everybody just wants massive carnage. They want to see marbles flying all over the place. Oh no, Adam, you missed the entry again? Oh no, I'm sorry, brother. Just a black screen and all of a sudden there's a winner. Oh no. Don't worry, guys. If you didn't get in, not this stream. This is the last giveaway that we're going to do on this stream. But there will be giveaways in the future, I promise. We give away every free account that we're given. We don't keep any for ourselves. None. We give them all to you guys. So, there will be more. There will be more in the future. The way we get more giveaways is by you guys using code WES at all these prop firms. So thank you for using code WES. That is why we are giving these giveaway accounts. So if you're purchasing an account or looking to get one, using code WES is the way to have more giveaways. All right, let me get this map over here. I know it's kind of a not talked about thing in the affiliate world, but that's how they work. The more sales that are generated using your code, the more giveaway accounts. So the guys who are giving away hundreds of accounts, you can imagine how many people are using their codes. Wait, what am I looking at here, Mason? What am I looking at? Oh my goodness. No shot. Guys, this could be total carnage. Look at those things spinning around. You're going to see marbles flying. Are there at least barricades on the side that keep the marbles in there? Mason? Somewhat? Okay, well, good luck, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, spamming one will make your marble go faster. Good luck to everybody. I don't know what's going on this. It's going to be hard for me to commentate. So, I guess, Mason, whenever you're ready, go ahead and release the carnage. That's a lot to get through there, guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought. I thought those spinning things were going to fling marbles off the course. All right, profit per tick out to an early lead. Profits takes over the lead. You got Trader Crest in second, Big Country in third, Ronnie in third now. Big Country, see that everybody's on a different part of the course, so it's hard to tell who's in first. Malglahara, Trader Crest, jostling for those first two positions right now. Lee. Okay, this is going to... I don't know what's going to happen here. I don't know who has the advantage. I have no idea who has the advantage in this race. Trader Crest, it looks like you. Oh, he gets through clean as well. He gets through clean. He has put a gap between him and second place. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Oh, he missed. He missed it. Oh, that's brutal. That's brutal. That's carnage. Lily. Can Lily hang on here? What? Oh, Bobby. Everybody's flying off all of a sudden. Okay, that's mass carnage. Futures Rush, it's saying you're in first, so I'm going to go with that. I don't know what else is going on here on this map. Oh, we got a tight one. First and second place separate. Oh, Malglahar got through first. Is Malglahar going to get there? Malglahar, Do Trading is the winner of the of a 50K rapid MyFundedFutures account. Congratulations, Malglahar. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Had such a big lead too. Had such a big lead and got launched from the course. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. DCA Gangmaster. That's a nice username too. That's funny. I'm sitting here stuck reading all these names. I didn't realize it can fling you backwards as well. That's kind of cool. All right, well, that was a good map. We'll have to try some different maps. I won't be able to commentate them as well, obviously. Malgalahar, very nice. Congratulations. Do me a favor and type something in the chat real quick to claim your prize. I see you have typed something in the chat. Malgalahar Do Trading. Are you on Discord? Yeah, Adam, that map was crazy. That map was wild. I've never seen that one before, so I didn't know what to do. I didn't know who had the advantage. One person got out to an early lead and got launched from the map. Malgahar, you're not? Okay, Mason, will you type my email address in the chat for him to send us an email? For some reason, I have access to the shorts feed chat as far as typing is concerned, but I don't on the horizontal. And then Malglahar, just shoot us an email. We'll need to verify your identity, obviously. Hey, later, SSJ. Enjoy your evening. And then obviously we'll verify that it's you. So we will have to verify. Congratulations. Well, guys, that's it for the giveaways this evening. Congratulations to all the winners. We will get that information over and get those accounts squared away. Be on the lookout for them either overnight or early tomorrow morning. They should show up on your account as an account credit. Congratulations, guys. Once again, CPI tomorrow morning, so be careful. I'm not sure what we're going to get price action for throughout the remainder of the evening. Good luck the rest of the way. Trade safe, stay patient, and I will be back tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern for another live stream. Peace.